Most WordPress websites are painfully slow because of one simple mistake. And yeah, it's probably something you're doing right now without even realizing it. You've got a clean design, maybe even paid for a premium theme, added a bunch of plugins to make things look cool, and yet your site loads like it's stuck in 2010. Visitors click, wait, and bounce. Just like that, you lose traffic, rankings, and money. Sounds harsh, but that's the reality in 2026. People don't wait anymore. If your site isn't fast, they're out, period. Now here's where most people get it wrong. They think slow speed is all about cheap hosting or heavy images. Sure, those things matter, but the real issue, your website isn't optimized to deliver content efficiently. Every time someone visits your site, it's doing all the work from scratch, loading scripts, processing PHP, fetching database queries again and again. No caching, no compression, no performance tuning. It's like ordering fast food but waiting for the restaurant to grow the ingredients first. That's just crazy. And let's be real, WordPress out of the box is not optimized for speed. It's flexible, yeah, but that flexibility comes at a cost. Without proper optimization, your site becomes bloated real quick. Too many requests, render blocking files, unminified CSS and JavaScript. It's a mess. And Google? Yeah, it absolutely cares about speed. Slow websites get pushed down in rankings, meaning less organic traffic and fewer clicks. So even if your content is fire, it won't matter if your site loads like a snail. So what's the fix? Simple but powerful. You need a proper caching and performance optimization plugin. And one of the best tools out there right now is a premium caching plugin that basically does all the heavy lifting for you. This isn't some basic free plugin with limited features. This is the real deal. It handles page caching, browser caching, file compression, lazy loading, database cleanup, everything you need to make your site insanely fast without messing with complicated code. Here's how it works. Instead of your site rebuilding every page from scratch for every visitor, the plugin creates a static version of your pages. So when someone visits your site, it loads instantly. No delays, no heavy processing. On top of that, it reduces file sizes, delays unnecessary scripts, and prioritizes what loads first. The result? Your site feels smooth, fast, and responsive, exactly what users expect. All right, let me walk you through how to actually set this up step by step. Don't worry, this is beginner friendly. First, you install the plugin on your WordPress dashboard. Just upload it, activate it, and you're good to go. Once activated, you'll see a clean, simple dashboard. No confusing settings, no overwhelming options. Everything is laid out in a way that just makes sense. Start with caching. Enable page caching right away. That's the core feature. Then move to file optimization. Turn on minification for CSS and JavaScript. This basically removes unnecessary spaces and characters from your code, making files smaller and faster to load. Next, enable lazy loading for images and videos. This means content only loads when the user scrolls to it, instead of loading everything at once. Super efficient. Now here's a pro tip. Enable Delay JavaScript execution. This is a game changer. It prevents non-essential scripts from loading immediately, which massively improves your initial load time. Your site will feel way faster, especially on mobile devices. And speaking of mobile, make sure mobile caching is enabled too. A huge chunk of your traffic is coming from phones, so you don't want to mess that up. After that, head over to database optimization. Clean up old revisions, spam comments, and unnecessary data. Your database gets cluttered over time, and cleaning it up can give you a noticeable speed boost. Finally, if your plugin supports CDN integration, connect it. A CDN, Content Distribution Network, stores your site's files across multiple global servers, so users from the US, UK, or Canada get faster load times no matter where they are. Alright, now let's talk results, because this is where things get exciting. Before optimization, your site might be loading in 5 to 8 seconds. After setting this up properly, you can bring that down to under 2 seconds. That's insane! And it's not just about speed. You'll see better user engagement, lower bounce rates, and higher conversions. People actually stay on your site, explore your content, and take action. And don't forget SEO. Faster websites rank better. Google loves speed, so when your site loads quickly, you're more likely to climb up in search results. More visibility equals more traffic equals more potential income.
It's a win-win across the board. Look, at the end of the day, you don't need to be a tech genius to fix your website speed. You just need the right tool and a simple setup. This is one of those upgrades that gives you massive returns for very little effort. Honestly, once you see the difference, you'll wonder why you didn't do this sooner. So, if you're serious about speeding up your WordPress site and actually getting better results, go ahead and check out the plugin I mentioned. I've put the link in the description below. You can grab it from there and start optimizing your site today. Trust me, this is one of the smartest moves you can make for your website right now. And hey, if you found this helpful, make sure to stick around because I've got more no BS tutorials coming your way to help you grow faster, rank higher, and make your site work like a pro. Catch you in the next one.